I'd like the biggest one. I want a motion. These are the motions. Yeah.
Right, you ready, Dobby? Yours haven't got handles.
Wait, should we just...
Turn on its side.
It's a motion. Yeah, it's a mambo.
I've got a mambo here. The straight bit, the straight edge, goes to the front. There's two little lugs there. So those two little lugs.
Yep.
They go in those two little holes there.
That's what she said.
And then that can just... Okay, do you want a mambo?
The motion
The way
is
you
just
can
goes
carry
straight
the
in the
boards,
middle.
if you leave the dagger board out like that, yeah, what you can do is you can use that as a handle on this side, and then put your fingers in the track there or grab the
Same on this side.
mambo back like that, and then you can carry it like that.
Okay.
Yep.
Just wants to slide away. Move that way, don't it? Oh no, I want that out, don't I? There we go. Yep. Helps if I walk the right way. It's quite busy today. Is it dead green? Oh, that's cool. That's all good. A bit further along, it's quite good. Yeah, oh well, just... Right. Nope. I jump in, how's that? This is going to be freezing cold. Let's see, shall we? Yep, it's completely cold. Like, freezing. Shit, no. Is this, end with the rudder, yeah? Go ahead, pass the next one. Pass the next one! Ah! Don't throw it, you'll break the rudder.
Oh, that's quite cool.
Oh, just get on the board.
Go, get out.
Jesus. I'm stuck on something. I think I'm stuck on the floor, to be honest. There we go. Oh, my knee. I just hit my knee on the thing. Oh. 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 I should lie down for a bit. You think? It's freezing. We're just going for a paddle at the minute to mess around in the water, get ourselves cold and wet, and then we'll be warm again. Yeah, it's boiling. I think the heaters have been on, you know. I'm gonna have to tie my laces. Otherwise, my shoes are gonna come off, so I'm gonna have to tie my laces. Oh, I missed it. I'm filming and I missed it. Basically, Wardy just fell down the hill that I went down into the water.
Right, you ready to stand up?
No, because I'm doing my laces.
I'm going to stand up.
Dying for a wee, at least it'll warm me up. It's nice and warm, isn't it? I think the heaters have been on. Wardy, you look like a seal. You look like a seal. Oh, why didn't we think of that? Oh yeah, we're not intelligent. Ah! Yeah, I do my laces weird. No need to comment saying I do. Let's lie down. It's not that bad now. Oh, lovely. Oh, sorry about the view now. You're just gonna have a board. Wait, let me just turn around. I'm not. I'm just gonna salute with it. You go further away. You're more experienced. Salute with your dagger board, guys. I challenge you to a duel.
You've got a bigger one than me. You've got a bigger board than me. I've got a tiny one.
That's exactly what she said. You've got a bigger. He's got a bigger one than you.
I've definitely fixed the one then.
Oh well, you're going the wrong way. Mike's over there.
Hang on, we're in a line now though.
Wait. Idea.
Hang on. Hang on, you seem both to this though.
Shit. Right, picture time done. Who's jumping in first? I'll dip myself in. Just for the I'm dipping myself in, guys. Oh my god, I'm dipping in. Go on, mate. On film. 2, 1. My turn. It tastes like shit. Oh. Woo. Yeah, jump in together. I need to get over there first. Wait. He's ready.
I'm gonna jump in.
3. Shit. Are you kidding me? Oh, sometimes. Limited view again. Actually, I'll just go like this. Careful, what hell? Oh yeah, you just turned me for me.
I'm turning.
Steve, just jump in. Seriously, you'll feel so much better. You got us all in. Oh! Front end went in.
You ready, Dobby? You going in? No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, you are. I'm gonna jump on your board.
3. You know what? It's not even that cold now. Oh, don't you love all that black stuff coming off my shoes? Steve, did you jump in? No! Oh my god. I think I need to adjust the camera. I filmed all this. It's going on YouTube as well. Matty's getting off there. far can you walk to the back of your board without falling in? Yeah. I'm gonna walk backwards so you can see I'm doing a wheelie. Wheelie! Ah! Walk to the front. Alright, let's do this. Your turn, Mike. I know, I'm going to sit right on the nose. Just handstand. Let's give it a go. Nope, it's not going to work. I just missed that. Heavy landings. Bit further, Lordy. A little bit more. Bit more. Inch forwards. He was using his dagger board to cheat. Try and clean the lens. I don't think that worked. Squeaky. DJ guys. Baby freeze. Oh my god. Ah! Holy crap. Just edging my way in. Oh, bit further. Oh my god. My GoPro's just dipping in. Ah! Mine. Watch where my GoPro goes. Oh. Sexy shoes, guys. Yeah, I think we should. I want to go for a swim first. Oh my god, this mud's slipping. I can't run in it. Ah! My legs are going to it, doesn't it? Oh, that's some traction, guys. Ah, sticks. I'm gonna kick my way over there. I'm not going anywhere. Sail. There we go, in the ground. He's coming for a swim. Coming for a swim. Matt, are you coming for a swim? What? Coming for a swim.
No. Okay, stand up here.
Yeah.
Robbie, you can stand up here.
That's why I'm stood up. I'm dying for a wee. I think I'm just gonna have one. It'll warm me up. Right, have fun looking at mud, guys. This is comfortable. I'm just gonna have a wee. You're gonna know when I'm having a wee. Ready? Right, I'm actually now weeing. Oh, nice and warm. Ooh, it's made my top half cold now. Right, I'm gonna go backwards so that you can see everything that's in front of me.
Careful, boys!